This is probably like one of the best cookies I have ever baked. Like, no lie. Like, seriously, you gotta try one. Happy holidays. I'm Dee from Deelovelylife. Welcome to my channel. I'm your host for this Christmas cookie collaboration. I am super duper excited. I get to share with you a Christmas cookie recipe today. And even if you've been naughty or nice, it doesn't matter. You can still click on the playlist in the description box below. Hashtag Christmas cookie collaboration for some more Christmas cookie recipes. My Christmas cookie to share with you today will be Dorothy's pride recipe from one of her Christmas cookies, the chunky chocolate chip peanut butter cookie. See here, this is Dorothy Zender, an excellent cook and baker who was a kitchen manager at the Frankenmuth Bavarian Inn for 36 plus years. I found this recipe book of hers in a thrift store several years ago. When I was searching for a cookie recipe, I came across it and began to read about her and her family's history of their restaurant, famous family-style chicken dinners in Michigan, many award-winning menus. I Googled it on YouTube, and then it became personal. Her daughter Dorothy, a dietitian, tested and called down the recipe for home use, and then her sister Judith, and later on her son Bill, who tested the recipes until they were right. Ingredients consist of 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup coarsely chopped peanuts, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups or 12-ounce package of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup or 1.5 sticks of butter or margarine softened. Combine flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt in a small bowl. Can I just tell you, it already smells amazing just by mixing this flour mixture with the cinnamon. Oh my goodness. Next, in a large mixer bowl, or I'm using my KitchenAid here, I'm going to beat the butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, peanut butter until creamy. Not to get all homemaker up in your face, I want to share something that Dorothy had stated. There is something wonderful about a kitchen. The warm, wholesome smells create a friendly atmosphere the minute you step in the door. Compliments like, "You fix my favorite," comes easy. So does the friendship and conversations when the coffee pot is brewing and there are fresh baked goods on the table. A kitchen is cupboards full of memories and drawers full of dreams. May you always enjoy your time in the kitchen as much as I do mine. Dorothy Zender. I next beat in the egg and vanilla. Up next is to add your flour into the mixture. As that was mixing, I took a half a cup of slightly salted Planters peanuts and I coarsely chopped those so that I can add that next to the mixture. Now it's the star of the show moment. Just kidding. Stir in your chocolate chips and peanuts to the dough. Oh my goodness, this smells so amazing. I wish there was smell-o-vision, but there's just something about chocolate and peanuts. I seriously cannot wait to see what my friends on the playlist are baking. There are going to be some downright delicious Christmas cookie recipes for us to try. Seriously, Santa's cookie plate will be full. For sure. P.S. I need to add baggy sweats to my wish list.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me.
Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel, Deelovelylife, encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver and homemaker. A variety of videos, sharing, showing, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? I'm a variety lifestyle channel, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below just to say hello and happy holidays to all.
From July up till now, don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize
It's going to go in a preheated 375 degrees about for 9 to 11 minutes or until edges are set but centers are still soft, and I'm going to let it stand for 4 minutes.
to me it's perfectly clear, I'm falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
This is probably like one of the best cookies I have ever baked. Like, no lie. Like, seriously, you gotta try one. This just in, folks. Here. Queen G approves. She says that is delicious. It has real chunks of peanut. And it has, you know, of course it has chocolate chip. But oh my gosh. So good. I hope you try it.
It is good.
Recipe is going to be down in the description box below. Santa and I don't want you to miss out on all the Christmas cookie recipes on the created playlist from my friends' channels. Go watch the playlist and give them a big thumbs up, leave them a comment, and subscribe to their wonderful channels. And remember, Santa's watching. Happy holidays, everyone. What? Wait, what? I got coal? I didn't get coal. I didn't get coal. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.